We're going to see old Gunnar Hansen, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. First guy, 1974. I'm with the boy Q. Two Myers Point horror fans. What are you excited for the most? Q? QA horror?
I don't know. To be...
Pick.
I don't know. Meet Gunnar, I guess.
Meet Gunnar.
Meet Gunnar.
Gunnar Handsome? You're so handsome, boy. Like, no, I'm joking.
Yeah.
No, hey, it's a guy. I'm joking. HD camera, HD camera, da da da, camera brother. Look at that old thing, baby. Demo bango, I'd bang a damn. Horror Fest, Tattamagouche 2011. Okay, me and the QA, we need to get energy drinks to keep ourselves hydrated. People around here, they're like, oh my god, you're vlogging? What the fuck? Nobody has ever seen a fucking video camera before in their life? Like, what? Oh, they do have NOS. Is NOS any good?
Yes.
Alright.
NOS is better.
NOS. Is it actually? Alright. Oh, I thought that was a guy. That's exactly what I thought. He had the same hair as the guy from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Well, dude, if he had... It wasn't a guy, that was a girl. It was like same hair, exact same hairstyle. We got a motherfucking tone in the car. Just wait, you got a full completion. Oh, fuck. I can't get it in these days, boy. Like the story of my life. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Custom made Michael Myers mask.
Oh my god.
Off of eBay.
Custom made the shape. Don't. Oh, anytime I get
Big toad right there.
Black people.
They do. The dinger. Got a little ding dong on the friggin' phone. Dude, don't. No camera touching. No. When the camera's touched, you know there's collision. Oh my god. Apples all around. Freshly picked. Take them. There we go.
Actually, they're not sour.
I'll make you shit.
Sour now.
They're probably good apples.
No, they're sour. I don't find them.
But they're better when they're sour.
Ours are sour.
There you go. Are they good? Here we are. Summer Fear in Tattamagouche with QA and the family. Go see Gunnar Hansen whenever he comes. I don't even know if we're at the right place now. Alright.
I think she's all sick.
There we go. Halloween 2, baby. Yep, this is it. The old grain factory.
The old name master.
Mikey Mars.
Hello, my name is Mikey. Oh my god.
Mikey, say hi. The energy drink's kicking in, boys. Watch out. Watch out. Oh. Somebody might be here from Texas Chainsaw. No, I'm joking. The man himself. Gunnar Hansen. Here he is. Perfect.
Go for it, my man. What's that, Mikey?
Nothing, bro.
Having a good time?
Yeah, oh yeah, man.
Stuff.
Good time. Are you gonna have?
So Quentin Tarantino was named after you? Nope. That one.
How much are the pictures, Q?
They're 20.
20? Okay.
And would you like it signed too, Quentin? I can just sign it, or I can put your name on it.
Yeah, to me.
Quentin.
Yep.
Oh, were you guys in line?
I don't know.
Oh, we're just standing around.
Yeah.
Just chilling?
Which one you like?
This thing over here, oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's my mother. It's beautiful. Great. Thanks, Quentin.
Right.
Yeah.
Imagine wearing that mask in 110-degree heat out there. That's what we had to do. Oh, I would have made all that stuff.
Latex or semi there. Yeah. You could breathe through it fine, but there was no air coming through this. So it was soaking wet.
Sure, no problem.
Jared, let's get opinion on something.
Alright.
Somebody to take it?
Oh, there's...
You got it?
Alright.
Actually get Gunnar Hansen to sign this and you'll be able to put it on eBay and sell it for 10 times the amount.
There you go.
74, 75.
Yeah.
74, 75. Right on the bang.
And of course in my store I also carry the deluxe stretchy mask and just the sweaters. Really, really high-end, nice ones.
So when's this dango coming out, this big store?
September 1.
September 1.
September 1. Now I also carry all of the FX product to do the actual burn makeup yourself, so you're not wearing a mask.
That's mint.
Yeah, I actually have a head done.
Yeah.
So that's just showing people what to use, and you're using a burn scar.
Yeah.
And then the severe trauma makeup, and then you're going in with your blood gel. Just phenomenal. Yeah, it's gonna be phenomenal.
I'm pumped. We'll have to take a little pop in there. Big old horror fans and get some collector's items. It'll be a dango of a time, boys.
Thank you very much for your
See you
purchase.
later.
I appreciate that.
All right. Take your
today.
My battery's going dead too. The Sawyer family house in Tattamagouche.
Push it down the south.
Come on, boy, where you at? Oh, you gotta sell it. Ah! Frig, yet! You scared the frig. Oh, snake! Huh, frig off.
There's snakes there, though.
Snakes can friggin' dang on the bench. What? Snake! Frig off. Yeah, I see you there. Big toes coming through. She needs a hardware floor job, Tom.
You can't go any further. The floor is gone.
Yeah?
Take a look down that basement.
Did you
See down the basement?
What?
Toilet fell right through the floor.
Right through? Santa ain't going down that chimney. Right. This concludes the Leatherface edition special Gunnar Hansen / QA Horror and Kenai 17. We're peacing out, we're vlogging out. Do you get any last words you want to say?